To add the weather info on your Android home screen, you'll first tap and hold any empty space on your home screen to bring up the customization options. And once you see them, you'll tap Widgets. The customization options will look slightly different across different Android phones, but the main idea is the same. You can add widgets, which are these little apps that show info in real time on your home screen, and you can then customize them to your liking. There's widgets for a variety of apps and functions, but we're going to focus on the weather widget right now. There's usually different sizes and designs to choose from, each with a slightly different look. You can tap any widgets and choose Add to add it to your home screen. Once it goes on the home screen, you can resize it, and then tap anywhere on the empty space to confirm your changes. You can also tap, hold, and drag widgets to move them on your screen, or even move them across the different pages on your home screen. And of course, you can edit the widget itself. Just long press it and choose Settings. You'll see the settings for that particular widget. So for this weather widget, for example, I can choose the location it's showing weather for, whether I want the widget to have a colored or transparent background, etc. That's pretty much it. Easy, simple, and makes a big difference when you personalize your home screen with your favorite widgets. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks all!